Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a password, pattern, or PIN to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S23, S24, maybe even S25 phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the settings window and select network and internet. You want to select mobile network security at the bottom of this list. And then you can go about selecting the set lock screen button. You can set either password, PIN, or pattern just by selecting any of these options here and then go about creating it. And that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.